Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Brazil. Buenos dias, buenas tardes, or whatever language that you have to the Portuguese people. And how are you all guys? Because I just missed this amazing artist of making video reaction to his performances. And I know a lot of you guys, to the supporters of this artist, is having some requests, but I forgot for a few weeks now. I think more than a month already that we don't have any video reaction to this amazing artist from Brazil. Goodness. And the title of this video is a performance of Kiev and Gabriel Henrique, When You Believe, in a Spanish version. And credit also with the honor of the video, of course, the artist that we love from Brazil, Gabriel Henrique. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch a full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for the video reaction purposes and commentaries. Whew, I'm holding my breath because I cannot wait. And sorry guys to the supporter of Gabriel Henrique who came in our channel and suggested with this one. It's been a long time. Hear it. You're a superhero. Great guys, this is all for you. Have fun. Oh, I really like this view, When You Believe, Gabriel Henrique and Gibbs. Los Mamas Caron.
Noches de oración, creyendo que han de contestar, de confianza una canción cantaba.
Oh my god, this control, the start. I'm getting chills and goosebumps directly. What I really seen here is like the background of this, like in a mountain. I don't know if this is a real place or just like a green screen, but this is beautiful. How they choose the setting of this music video that they did. And this song is very huge because this is Mariah Carey and of course Whitney Houston, to the late Whitney Houston. And I think he just did an amazing like intro of the song. Wow, I was mind blown. I get chills. Oh God, Gibbs. Oh my God, Gibbs also have this amazing like range of voice. His emotions, his like tone that's so mellow, and the sweetness that he just giving it, his lines, it's incredibly amazing. I love it. I love this duo. Goodness gracious. And of course, seeing that in a Spanish version, hearing with the Spanish, I think Gibbs is a Spanish. It's it make it more beautiful with this huge song. Bravo to these two artists.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Milagros tú verás si tienes fe, hasta morir hay que confiar. Oh, yeah.
Oh goodness, the blending and then the control, how they just like throw with each others with their lines. It's like it's perfection. They just like knowing how to attack the song and delivering it so amazingly good that I'm enjoying listening with it. This is just like another version, or the version of Mariah Carey and Whitney Houston, that in a male version, but and of course in a Spanish version. How cool is that? How fantastic is that? Listening with this one with this amazing view background, it's like mind blowing.
Milagros lograrás, lo vas a
Good.
ver, lo vas a ver. Si tienes fe, así será. Será si tienes fe.
This is what I like with Sorry guys to cut more because I cannot hold my like my mind because might be it will stop my idea or what I should say. Gabriel Henrique did an amazing job, always having his signature when he sings to cover songs. This is so beautiful how he did. It's like he arranged this song amazingly and thinking it smartly. How those like the melody he's giving, it's like mind blowing. I love it. It's like I'm enjoying with it the emotion he just did with this performance, both of them. This is a duo that's perfection. It's a perfect tandem of them. Those miles, the special expression, bravo.
Con temor viví, mas mi
Tips.
plegaria se escuchó como un ave al cielo. Yo muy alto la he de ver y aún yo sigo aquí creciendo en
My God, see the like how Kid hit those like high pitches, beautiful tone, reaching those high pitch with such like the sweetness and like the crispiness of it. It's so amazing to listen. Sorry guys, I cannot explain it properly in such in a musical way of understanding or explaining with it because I'm not a musician by profession. It's just like there is something that I really want to explain, but this gives he performed it so nicely. It's very clean and clear and wow, so amazing. Goodness, I loving it.
todo hay amor con la fe y la devoción que nunca imaginé.
Wow, good.
Milagros tú verás si tienes fe, hasta morir. Ay,
Like the cleanest of like arrangement of this one. Oh my God, I'm loving how I'm hearing this tandem. This is so beautiful. My God, I'm so honored. I was touched. This is like 100% for me perfection of duet of this amazing huge song. Wow.
que confiar. Milagros lograrás, lo vas
Good.
a ver. Si tienes fe, así será. Será si tienes fe.
I really like the way how they just like making those tones like twisted in a good way and the way they just delivering their lines each of them with those beautiful individual tone that they just making this amazing song boom mind blowing.
No sucederá tal vez si dudas y rendirse porque sí es fácil. Oh, yeah.
This is like for me it's very hard song to sing but still watching with them it's like so easy calm and then still their handsomeness in there. My God, those hand gesture, those facial expression, it's perfection. Goodness,
Llegado
love it.
por si va a doler, la lluvia no te deja ver. En tu vacío resiste, responderá al fin. Milagro, si tienes fe, hay que confiar. Milagros lograr.
Oh my God, I'm crazy. Oh my goodness, this is how you do it. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, how this guy is so very, very talented, hitting those amazing, like hitting those beautiful tone. I was mind blown.
Milagros lograrás, lo vas a hacer. Si tienes fe, así
How crazy that is! The signature of Gabriel Henrique. Goodness gracious, this whistle tone. Wow. Wow. I was like, I was moved. I was like emotional with it, as always. And Gibbs also give an amazing and phenomenal like job doing this melody of him. I know it's difficult, but he just did level up with the with Gabriel Henrique, and this is like for me a 1000% do it that it's people should watch and listen. This is amazing. Wow.
será si tienes, será si tienes fe.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Será si tienes fe.
Wow. 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 Joaquin Sorrell directed the film and mixed by Gibbs. Oh, Master Francisco Holzman. Goodness gracious, this is so amazing. I was impressed. Imagine how talented Gibbs also. He just mixed this song so incredibly. The tone and their vocal quality that he just like showing off. That's incredibly amazing. This is like, oh my god, the best duet of this incredible song that I heard by far, because their emotion, their compassion, and their like how they just put the melody on this amazing song and perform it so well. That's so fantastically done. Goodness gracious, I love it. I'm enjoying with it. I hope guys you enjoyed the performance of Gibbs and Gabriel Henrique also. And if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Gibbs and Gabriel Henrique or any Brazilian artist that you want me to react, put in the comment section. I'd love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also in my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. Ciao and mabuhay kayong lahat. God bless and see you in my next video reaction. Bye bye guys.